things you've been taught, you've been told. Don't blink, don't run, don't turn left or turn right or look straight at the sun. My mind's going in circles, I'm trying to fight it. Getting these voices inside to stay quiet. Going to the place where all this began. Just start again.
Hi guys, how are you doing? I hope you guys are great. So in today's video, I'm going to try on the wigs of the week. So if you find this video entertaining, make sure you give it a thumbs up, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. And also if you're interested in any of my wigs or these ones, I'll leave my details in the comment section down below so you can contact me and I'll make them for you. Okay, so guys, before I continue, I just want you to be aware of scammers online, especially on Facebook and Instagram, and also some websites that are using my photos to scam you guys. Just be careful guys. I'll put all my details in the description box down below so you can contact me, because last week I received like 3 complaints from 3 of my viewers. They didn't know like I had a channel. They just came across my photos on Facebook and they went ahead and bought the wigs from a certain website. So guys, I think it's called So Real. I'll put their name right here. They have my photos on their pages and they're using my photos to scam people their money, and then they just send like something different, you know, to the client. At least when you use my photos, at least send a client something that looks like my wig. This client wanted these 2 wigs because this is what they had posted on their website, and then they sent her these 2 wigs. And then also there's another client who told me like she sent money, she didn't receive any wigs. Be careful, don't just buy from any website that you see, because so many, especially on Facebook, even some people are using my photos, my videos as an ad to, you know, to scam you money. Check the description box down below for my details. Don't be scammed. Let me try the wigs of the week and just comment down below if you love the styles, if you love the colors. I've introduced to you the 2 wigs before, but the only difference is the color. I introduced to you this wig last week, and it was color number 1. Yes, so just comment down below guys if you love the styles, if you love the colors as well, and this one.
Don't fall, don't forget all the things you've been taught, you've been told. Don't blink, don't run, don't turn left or turn right or look straight at the sun. My mind's going in circles, I'm trying to fight it. Getting these voices inside to stay quiet. Going to the place where all this began. Just start again. Oh, you won't see the light until the dawn breaks. No, till it's all said and done, you won't know what it takes. Gotta make a wrong turn and turn around. Gotta fall first to pick yourself up off the ground. Until you get lost, you'll never be found, and you can't start again until you break down. Look beneath the bed before you go to sleep. Keep on, I shine. You'll surely get burned if you reach out and touch. My mind is a battle, I'm trying to hide it. Getting these voices inside to stay quiet. On to the place where all this began. Just start again. You won't see the light until the dawn breaks. No, till it's all said and done, you won't know what it takes. Gotta make a wrong turn and turn around. Gotta fall first to pick yourself up off they all see that it's a lie. 'Cause we always give it one last try. Yeah, you've watched me break 1,000 times. Now I'm all alone, 'cause you never show. You say you will, but then you don't. That's how it goes. Don't wanna know. I'm turning off my mind so I get by. I just wanna be happy, happy tonight. Without giving a warning, I'ma leave without giving a. But every time we say goodbye, we all know that it's a lie. Now I'm all alone, 'cause you never show. You say you will, but then you don't. That's how it goes. Don't wanna know. I'm turning off my mind so I get by.
So that was it for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video entertaining, interesting, make sure you give it a thumbs up, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. And also, if you like them, I'll leave my details in the comment section down below, so you can contact me and I'll make them for you. Okay, see you in my next video. Bye.
Happier tonight.